So yummy, delicious, hot. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vetri Otto, and on this channel I share videos on cakes, cake business. I also share videos on food and recipes. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you will be informed. In today's video, I'll show you how to make yummy, delicious ogbono soup. Ogbono soup is a dish in Nigeria enjoyed by so many. And after making your ogbono soup this way, you wouldn't want to make it any other way. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button. Please note that the recipe and exact measurement I used is in the description box below. These are all the ingredients required to make your ogbono soup. I already boiled the Kpomo, and this is boiled stockfish and dry fish. This is chopped pumpkin leaf vegetable and boiled meat. This is your ogbono seed, ground ogbono seed, also known as African mango seeds. Palm oil, this is chopped onions. Then this is the meat stock. In this case, I used frozen meat stock. I already stored in the freezer. This is ground crayfish, ground fresh pepper. Then this is Maggi seasoning and salt. These are all the ingredients required for the ogbono soup, and we'll get right into preparing it. Allow your pot to heat up for about 30 seconds. Next, turn in your palm oil and allow to heat up for about 1 minute. Next, turn in your chopped onions and allow to saute for about 1 minute. Next, proceed to add the ogbono seed, also known as African mango seed. Stir and ensure that every ingredient, including the ogbono, is perfectly and completely fried for about 4 minutes. Next, add your meat stock. Stir properly. Add water. Also add the Kpomo, dry fish and stockfish at this point. Add pepper. Stir properly and cover the pot. Allow it to boil for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, this is what it will look like. You have to be patient for this part because this part is what will make and also help your ogbono to form appropriately. Next, add the boiled meat and allow to cook for about 1 minute. Also note that the meat stock contains some Maggi seasoning, pepper, onions and salt. So at this point, you have to taste the soup before going ahead to add more Maggi seasoning and salt. Feel free to use the quantity of fresh pepper you want to use and also the quantity of Maggi and salt. Just ensure that you taste before adding more. Next, proceed to add your crayfish. Stir properly. Allow to cook for about 1 minute. Before proceeding to add pumpkin leaves or vegetable. Turn this for about 1 minute. So appetizing. Oh, so yummy, delicious. You can serve this alone, or you can have it with any swallow of your choice. Can you see how appetizing and yummy it is already? I can't wait to have this delicious ogbono soup. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. If there's any video you would love me to create, kindly type that in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share. Your ogbono soup is ready. Oh, so yummy. In this case, I served it with eba. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.